Mas so easy. Tapos yung app ang galing-galing, di ba? Ang dali lang magpadala. And again, it's secure, di ba? And most importantly, no transfer fee. So, kasi pagka kinompute mo yung transfer fee, exchange rate, dami mawawala. Ang gandang incentive for the ones who will be sending the money. And of course, the ones who will receive the money.
Meron ka diba Ogie kanta for OFWs na nasulat?
Interesting. Actually,
Wala.
Gagawa na siya.
kasi lagi namin kinakanta yung kanta ni Gary.
Yung babalik ka niya.
Kahit tagal na,
Oo.
wala pang mas gaganda pa ron eh. Nawala, babalik, ikaw gumawa ka. But diba, I mean, that song is like iconic. But now that you've mentioned
Dapat nga mag-jingle ka dito eh.
Nagawa na ba or hindi pa nagagawa?
Iniisip pa.
Hindi pa, wala
The budget.
pa. But the ad is so cute. The ad is so cute. So,
Okay.
Pero nagsusulat ka pa din ng mga kanta lately.
oh, me? Oh, yeah. I haven't stopped. In fact, I'm releasing an EP this November. But it's all reimagined, so I'm sorry. So I don't know if you've noticed, I've been releasing reimagined versions of my other songs like Bakit Ngayon Wala Dito, rock versions. And then next year I'll be releasing an all-new EP. I've also been writing for other artists and also for the theme song of Lavender Fields. Sinulat namin yun. No, I never stop.
May iba lang ako. Ano nang estado ng ano nito? Magpasikat.
Okay naman. Kahapon hindi ako naka-rehearse kasi may sakit ako kahapon. Nung last rehearsal namin, I think it was Saturday or Friday, we were very happy. Hindi pa. Getting there. Alam naman sa amin, daming parinigan pag magkakasama kami. And ang ganda ng spirit of competitiveness, spirit of everybody trying to outdo each other. But at the end of the day, syempre, isang pamilya kami. So it brings out the best in us. Ako, I'm very, very excited.
Nagtataguan talaga kayo?
Oh yeah, even rehearsals.
Hindi kayo saan yan? Hiwa-hiwalay na lugar?
Hindi, same din, pero naka-schedule. So minsan nakikita namin, ano yun? Bakit may lambing? May ganon, may silipan. But at the same time, ako personally, ang experience ko every time, most especially this year, is that natututo ako as a performer on how I can even express the art more in a way that's exciting, in a way na hindi putyo-putyo lang.
Tsaka mga bata, kasama mong iba-iba.
Kasama iba yung utak nila, iba yung energy nila. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam as a performer, as a host. Although napakahirap.
Oo, kasi
getting ang mahal, getting
may mga sponsors na naman kayo, di ba? So kayo talaga yan, yung team nyo, kayo lang yung kami yung buong stage o kung ano yan.
So, para kang nasa college. Alam mo yun?
Buong project kasi
kailangan natin ng ganito. And andun yung resourcefulness, andun yung networking.
So makikita mo kung sinong grupo yung walang sponsor. Wala silang props na maganda.
Lahat naman meron.
Sufficient for every show.
So kanino kayo natatakot ngayon na ilang magpasikat mo na?
This is my fourth or fifth. I'm not sure. Fourth or fifth. Kanina kami natatakot. Sa lahat. Lahat magaling.
Nanalo ba yung grupo mo dati?
The highest that I've ever won is second place. Kami had last year. Nung unang sali ko, I think we were dead last. The second year that I joined, we were third. Last year we were second.
So does this
So,
mean that
dapat
you're gonna
ngayon first
win
talaga
this
ngayon.
year?
I don't look at those things. Ayoko mag-expect kasi especially for yung team namin na lalo na yung staff kasi may kanya-kanya kaming staff.
Hinati-hati
Sila
na.
yung talaga namang
Working
araw-araw
behind the scenes
yung
also.
books, you know, props, connecting with art department, with sponsors, and then they also have to put up a show.
Oh, kasi may daily pa kayo
Behind the
eh.
scenes, it's na I feel for them na pag natalo yung so ako ang mindset ko lagi, let's just do our best.
Hindi mo pa ba na-unlock ang secret or technique or strategy para talagang
hard.
walang ganun?
It's hard kasi every year iba-iba ang judges, iba-iba ang flavor, timpla na hinahanap nila.
Hindi pwedeng planuhin. Walang pwedeng...
Anong araw kayo?
The execution is probably important. That you are able to communicate what you want to communicate and that your message is clear. Feeling ko yun ang importante. I may be wrong. Ano araw kami? Tuesday kami. So that's next Tuesday.
So pwede pang kasi may...
Tuesday na ngayon, isang linggo na lang.
Tense.
So bigla ko naiisip.
Nakailang araw na kayong rehearsal?
Total, madami-dami na din. Ako isa pa lang. Kasi yung iba, there was training. So I don't,
Sa madugo.
hindi rehearsal ang take ko yun training. So ako bawa ko sa enthusiasm ng lahat. Nakakarinig ka yung iba, hilo, sina Lassie may salompas, nila iniinda all for the program. Saan nakakita ng ganun? It's that kind of passion and dedication is something else.
Tsaka yung charity din na natutulungan
That's
niya.
Charity component.
Importante. Na-experience ko last year kasi ang laki na nang nabigay namin dun sa charity na pinili. Kasi last year our theme was healing. So we gave the whole of our winnings to Helping Hands Healing Hearts Foundation. It's very close to my heart. I know those people. So this year, paalam mo sa kami.
Sino yung tinutukoy ni Vice Ganda na parang may gumagawa sa inyo ng
Triga?
Oo.
Ay, hindi ko alam. I guess bashers. I'm not sure. Alam mo, minsan akong pinakahuli. Una kasi ako pinakamatanda. Hindi man ako masyadong private sa mga chismis. So, hindi ko alam eh. The truth is, I don't know. All I know is that we're told that laging top of mind yung mga segment like Kalokalike, diba si Snoop Dogg pa nga, LeBron James, well, not LeBron James, but the NBA memes, sino pa ba, si Bruno Mars, diba, yung, pero na leveling, which is, ewan ko, nakakabilib talaga, galing. I mean, I say that with utmost humility, obviously, hindi ko yun, but I think all of us are very grateful for the kind of attention and coverage that Showtime is getting.
Ibang topic naman.
Kamusta na yung paano ako
paano kayo naging okay ng daughter mo? Di ba parang nagkatampuhan kayo dati? Tapos
anong araw pa yun?
Oo, tapos ngayon na siya, engaged na siya.
Yes, I'm so happy for her and of course her fiance si Mito. Kami ni Michelle nag-usap and we're, what is the expression? Over the moon. We're so happy. We're so happy for them. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, alam mo, hindi maalis sa isip ng isang tatay. Antingin mo sa anak mo, baby pa, di ba? Antingin mo sa, lalo sa panganay mo, kahit na dalaga na yun, baby pa rin ang tingin mo sa kanya. So, it just felt like it was just yesterday. That she was born in 1996. Kaya ano na ngayon? 2024. Diba? Yung parang... Ang iksi talaga. Ang iksi ng... Ang bilis ng panahon. I don't wanna say ang iksi ng buhay, pero ang bilis ng panahon. So, all in all, it's a blessing. I'm happy that they are taking the relationship to another level. I'm happy that they're being very responsible about their choices. I gave them a few advice and I hope they listen to me.
So, handa ka na maging lolo?
Oo naman. Alam mo, halos, well, sa amin, no, sa ASAP, like, si Gary, si Martin, si Shashing, sila yung may mga apo eh. Kami na rin yun, wala pa eh.